In this tutorial, we will know about convert entity feature. This feature basically useful in projecting the curve from a plane to another plane. To use this convert entity feature, we select sketch, and suppose I select this top plane and draw some sketch. Take a line. Suppose I draw line like this. We can draw some random lines and click OK and exit sketch. Now suppose I take another plane, go to this feature and take a datum plane, and on this give the reference is top plane and the offset value, suppose I take 100 and click OK. You can see this plane. We can select this plane and drag this to have a larger view of this, and then we go to once again sketch. Now what we want to do, that we want exact the sketch, the copy of the sketch on this plane. So one way of doing that, we can sketch this once again. Select this sketch and select this plane and rotate it to a normal view, and take this sketch as a reference, draw another sketch. This is the one way. Suppose I draw lines like this and OK. And another way of doing this is using the convert entity feature, because we can see it from here. It is a time consuming process if we have multiple arcs and multiple lines in a complex sketch. So first I undo this and then I select convert entity feature. Here is a dialog box for this. It's showing entities to convert. Entities means the sketch which we want to convert. So we can select a chain or a loop, or we can select it one by one. Select this line, and click OK. And now we can see these lines have been projected. I select this exit sketch, and now I rotate this view. We can see the exact shape of this sketch. So that is why it is very useful command. Another feature in sketch modeling is 3D sketch. So why 3D sketch is useful? Now in this sketch, suppose I want to draw a line from this endpoint to this endpoint. So one way of doing this is that first we will create a datum plane on this section, and then we will go to sketch and draw that sketch. Once again, it is a time consuming process. So we have 3D sketch for this. Select this 3D sketch. In 3D sketch, we don't have to select any reference plane. We can continue working in this 3D mode. We can see from this coordinate system that is showing XYZ. It means we are in 3D mode. So select this line command and take this endpoint as a reference, and from this endpoint. Then double click, and this way we have drawn this line without the help of any datum plane. So that is the advantage of sketch 3D. And similarly, we can also draw any curve or any arc between points. Suppose this time I want arc on these 2 points. We can control its parameters and draw the arc. And in the similar way, we can draw sketches on any other plane. And for this, in sketch 3D, we have option for plane in 3D sketch. Select this plane, and then we have to give the reference. Suppose I give the reference this plane 1, and just give the reference at a offset value, suppose 50 in upward direction, and OK. Now on this plane we can draw some sketch. Suppose I take a rectangle, so we can directly draw the sketch like this and click OK.